There's one room left. Is it a tricky one? Let's explore. What letter is it? Letter P makes the sound P. Take the words with this sound and put them in the box. Let me model you some. What's this? Pizza. Should I take it in? Yay! How about this one? Nurse. Yes or no? We shouldn't take it. Now you know how to deal with it, right? Let's find the others to put in the box. Are you ready? Let's start.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Time's up. What do you think? Let me know. You choose this one. Don't you? That's right. Pasta. And one more. A thing that we can enjoy in the cinema. Popcorn. Good job, boys and girls. Let's move on to the second question. What letter is it? That's right, it's the letter O. In this lesson, letter O makes the sounds A and Ah. Let's take the words with this sound and put them in the box. 8 seconds for you.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let me know your answers, please. What do you choose? Orange. Say it again, please. Great. Ostrich. Good job. How about the last one? Are you sure? They're chasing him. You remember it, don't you? That's right. It should be this one. Octopus. There's one left. What letter is it? Good. Letter N makes the sound N. How many seconds do you have? That's right. 8 seconds only. Ready? Go!
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let me know your answer. I see. Let's check. Well done. Nail. And the next one. Yummy. Noodles. Noodles. How about the last one? A person who is fixing her table. Do you remember her? Nurse. Nurse. Good job. Now let's review our lesson today. Today we talked about sounds and letters. Letter N makes the sound N. For example,
N,
Nurse.
N. Noodles. N.
Nail.
How about the next one? Yay! Letter O. In this lesson, letter O makes the sounds and ah. Listen and repeat.
A,
Orange.
A,
Ostrich.
A,
Octopus.
And the last one. What letter is it? Letter P makes the sound P. Listen and repeat.
P,
Pasta.
P,
Popcorn.
P,
Pizza.
Are there any other words that begin with the letter N? Any ideas, boys and girls? Children, what's this? This is my nose. Nose. The word nose begins with letter N. At home, can you find some other words beginning with the letter N, O, and P? That's the end of our lesson today. Goodbye and see you in the next Super Memory for Schools program.